Welcome back to Pump Info. My people, no be small thing, they say that the unknown gunmen don't buy some police for inside Ihiala. They say the PM of Biafra government in exile, wey be Simon Ekpa, don't come outside. He contact the general public, say the Biafra must come on December being 2nd. Say may everybody prepare for that day. As it be like this now, so many things is happening. I'm going to play the videos for you to watch. Just stay tuned and watch the videos from beginning to end. One hardcore Biafra don't come outside. Can't talk say anybody will want go Finland, go bring destruction for the Biafra convention will go happen for inside that area. He say Amadioha go kill the person. My people, let us watch the few videos as all this intel they happen before we come back and continue.
Security niile nọ na Finland ga-enwude ndị niile bu arụbịa. Asị m arụ unu ga-ebuje Finland jide unu n'eke, jide unu n'oye, jide unu n'afọ, jide unu na nkwọ. Biafra restoration emezugo 2nd December 2024. O mezugo. Congratulations, Biafra independent. Anyị na-ekene onwe anyị n'ihi na anyị achifugo our dream. Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, His Excellency, congratulations, achifugo your dream. Gather chief for more and more. He get receive award and Biafra freedom. Na si ka Chineke mee ka Donald Trump nọdụ n'oche rikpuo White House n'ihi Biafra. Ọ ga-win. Donald Trump ga-win. Donald Trump ga-win na-eke win win na for win na kwọ. Ụmụ Biafra niile all over the world Chukwu gbaa unu ume nye unu ume. Nye unu ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike ka unu fụ Kondodendo for the restoration of Biafra 2nd of December. Mamu no no wana madadi orama Adam nopona ndege. When I say Chineke bineligwe biko Arabna Prime Minister Simon Ekpa aka bayume nye yike nye endo nyana ezinụlọ ya Biafra restoration na Finland. Ndị Finland niile ma president nye ogologo na risike nye ha ume nye security ume ichekwa Prime Minister Simon Ekpa njọkụ na Biafra niile ga-abịa na Finland. Onwere ife na-emenu taa ka na-eke ndị zoo agbụ, ana m eke ndị zoo agbụ, ana m eke DSS agbụ, ana m eke EFCC agbụ, ana m eke senators agbụ, ana m eke Eastern Governors agbụ, ana m eke House of Assemblies agbụ, ana m eke ọhaneze agbụ, ana m eke DOS IPOB Nigeria Limited criminals agbụ, eke ha agbụ na eke ha agbụ n'oyi, eke ha agbụ n'afọ, ka dị na-eke ha agbụ. Prime Minister Simon Ekpa were ụtarị pịa ha udo ha bịa restore Biafra. Nke a ka otu aka a rịọrọ Chukwu bi n'igwe na ndị ala ise.
Good morning, fellow Biafrans all over the world. I come this morning with a very great news to announce to the Biafra people that the Biafra national football team will be playing first ever international game representing the Confederate State of Biafra this month, just before we go to our Finland convention. Pray for them so they are going to win and it is going to be a good start. Woke ebutegike. Ebutegike. Ibobokari. Those who think that Biafra will not come, look around yourself. What do you see? What do you see? Look at my eyes. What do you see? Nigeria is gone. We are freeing our people from the shackles of the Islamic State chain called Nigeria, from the terrorist state called Nigeria. Biafra is going. And I am leading Biafra out of Nigeria. The main liberation of Biafra will begin on the 2nd of December 2024. May God bless you. Support this movement so history will be kind to you. Thank you.
Gave everybody Expo free lecture. If you want Igbo people to follow you, be truthful and honest to them. Once they see that you are true, they're ready to die for you. And not only that you are truthful and honest to them, he said consistently truthful and honest. Because if you show them now and tomorrow you turn back, you cannot get anywhere. People are donating money to PM for Biafra movement. Do you know that even if you bring evidence today, evidence that PM squander money, Biafra will still contribute money to him? Why? The level of because some people like quality things. The catapult that people are using now, the outfit, the organization, the way he put things in order, what he have done, everybody is proud of that. And personally, even if PM said that even if he's not fighting to bring Biafra, I'm not saying that this is my own opinion. Even if PM, just understand, learn the word even. I'm not saying that he's not fighting for Biafra. Even if he's not fighting for Biafra to come, for example, like all of them are trying to, all this imaginary reason that he's fighting with the government and all this nonsense. Do you know that I still love that than what you guys are doing? Because now we are proud that we are Igbo. Now that we are proud that our land, our women and our children, our fathers, our uncle will not be slaughtered in cold blood and nobody will talk. Because of PM, if you buy people now in our land, you know already that's what is coming for you. Whether you will be senator, whoever you are, you know what is coming. It was not like that before. So can we appreciate good things for once, so that good things will come to us? This man that bought Iboja, normally you will not see the image of that man. They will not share his photo, because now they are proving to everybody that look, we are doing our job and you have succeeded in holding them. Maybe they will release him secretly, I'm not saying, but for the first time in my life to see that Nigerian soldier or Nigerian police or force by anybody, whether Igbo or Hausa, whoever, and we can see the image of the person. Maybe it has happened in other region, but in the southeast, you can't see it. You dare not even question. You dare not question that you want to see the image of the person. That you want to see the person going to court. Let that person even put that person on trial and let him even pass. Let him even win the case. We don't used to see that. Today, what is going on? The same thing, and that brings me to what I wanted to, because we are still playing the video. I'm just trying to.
See wetin dey happen for Yala, na. See policeman wey dey shoot for na for Yala dey run.
Welcome back, my people. I beg make una share the video and also drop your own opinion in the comment section. Tell us whether they carry your bag, they go Finland that day for the convention.